Greetings of the day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Brock's Code and Tech.
Today we will learn pointers in our class 12 C++ for beginners. We have to go to the compiler because we have no any theory in this topic. Just we have some examples, 3 or 4 examples that we solve, and we will learn about the pointers. Some of examples I have discussed here, I have mentioned here. You have to understand these examples. So first I use hash include iOS stream. Then you should have to use hash include string. Then using namespace std for running the main program of the function int main. Then int main. Then you should have to make a block. Then string food is declared. You should have to declare the food by pizza or another thing, burger, any of the food you want. Then you should run cout food. Then you should put \n where the new line will be created. Then cout address operator food. Address operator food means you have to print the address of a variable. You have to print the address of a food. Pizza's address will be printed out on the console, and there is a and you should have to know the pointers is to print the address of anything. The address of anything is called pointers in C++ or C programming language. Should have to run the program and see the console that our program is going to be run or not. So here I press the button compile and run. Here it's running. When it runs, it shows a pizza, then it shows the address of a pointer. So here is pizza and the address of the pointer. And now I am going to second example of my pointer where I use hash include iOS stream and hash include string. Then I use using namespace std. Then int main void, int main void. After int main void, I make a block. There I use a hash include string because I am using a string in the function below. String food is equal to burger. Assigned to burger means I want to print the burger and then I want to print the food's address. Program I want to print out the burger and the address of the burger. So I write the food is assigned to burger and string has stress ptr is equal to address of food. Print on the console the burger and the address of the burger. So I press the button compile and run. Here here the address of the burger is printed and then burger is printed. So we have to go through the third example without any let. So here is third example. In this in this example, we have to use also a string, and I have used hash include iOS string. Then I use using namespace std. Then int main void. Then I make a block. Then string food is equal to pizza. Then string hashtag ptr is equal to address operator food. We should have to print the pizza. First of all, we should have to print the pizza on the console. Then we should have to print the address of the food. All right. I write the program that is cout food. First of all, the food should be printed. Then I write the program cout address of the food. Then I write a ptr. Then I write ptr hashtag ptr address of the food, first food, then address of the food, then address of the food, then ptr assigned to hamburger. Then ptr assigned to hamburger. This assignment of pizza will be converted into hamburger. It will be printed hamburger. After it will be printed hamburger after the printing of the food pizza. Then I wrote here that the address of the hamburger also should be printed. So I am going to run this program. Is it running or not? So first their pizza is printed and then address of pizza, then hamburger. So here the program is executed, and I am going to share this topic in the description below. You can read them there or you can contact me at my email. Thank you guys.